Okay, one more time, guys. Let's go ahead and talk about a few a few more examples. We already went over getting the arc sectors and area and all that. So right here, we're told on this particular problem that we have the area of a sector of AOB. Now that picture looks something like this. We have this little circle right here. We have this point A, this point is O, and this point is B. So right here we have the area of that sector, which is all this stuff right here. And the measure of AOB is 120. What is the length of the radius? So right here we just use the formula, which is x divided by 360, which is whatever that arc degree, times, let's see, pi r squared. So we're going to be solving for r, solving for variables, very important. That's equal to our area. So that's going to be 432 pi, because that's exact, equals to 120 divided by 360 times pi r squared. Now let's go ahead and all take a look at this right here. Our pi's are going to automatically cancel out, so I want you to go ahead and divide both sides by pi automatically, and that go ahead and simplify to 1. So that leaves us with 432 equal to, let me see, 120 divided by 360. Just doing that real quick, so that's 1/3. So 1/3 of the circle times r squared. So we're going to multiply both sides by 3. And then we're going to also take the square root of both sides. So the only thing I'm going to take square root of is going to be r on this side, and this is going to be the square root. I've got to use this thing of, let me see, 3 times 432. That gives us 36. So our radius is equal to 36 units, or 36 feet. So this is 36 feet. That's one big circle. All right. So that takes care of that one. Whoops, going the wrong way. Whoops, what happened? Oh, there it is. Let's see. Oh, there. Let's see. We have these problems. Let's see. I think that's it. Oh, I didn't notice. Okay. Well, let me go ahead and tell you guys a few other things. You're going to see a problem like this. We have 60 degrees. And then we have this triangle. And all they want is this little sliver right here. So I'm going to leave that to you guys. We'll come back, talk about it in more detail. Just get that done. But just to go ahead and give you a hint, if you can find the area of the pizza and eat this whole entire thing, you have left as your crust. And it looks like a piece of crust. That's what it looks like to me. But think of it this way. If you can find the area of the triangle, you can subtract that from the area of the sector. So area of the sector minus the area of the triangle. And so that's going to have right there a few ramifications. Because remember, that's 60 degrees. These two sides are the same, so that means that these two angles have to be the same, which is 60 and 60. Draw that line. You're going to need the base times the height, and so you can try to figure out from there, guys. This is enough clues about this problem. I'll see you guys later. I'm really sorry about today because, you know, the baby's not feeling too good. You saw her crying a little bit earlier. She was being a little bit bad, well, a little brat, but at the same time, she's not doing well. You know, she woke up with a kind of thing. See you guys later.